हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ साहब, डिस्कसिंग क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स बोर्ड स्पेशल, that is chapter number 4, quadratic equation. In this class, in this video, I will be discussing with you means some competency based questions, means MCQ. And this series is 10 4 QE MCQ CB002, means class 10 chapter 4, that is quadratic equations. And in this, multiple choice questions will be there, or competency based questions will be there. Total 10 questions will be there, question number 11 to question number 20, and 4 question number 1 to question number 10. You please watch this series. This is very important for basic and standard mathematics, that is for 2022 and 23, for NTSC, for all mathematics Olympiad, for NDA, and for all competitive examinations. Question number 11. In the quadratic equation, 5x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0, which of them has the following roots? So when we compare with means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here a is 5, b is minus 4, and c is 5. Then we find out the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 5, that is 16 minus 100, that is minus 84, which is less than 0. So if discriminant is negative or less than 0, then roots are not real. So this B is the correct answer here. इसके जो रूट्स होंगे इस इक्वेशन के, that is the 5x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. इसके रूट रियल नहीं होंगे, मींस इमेजिनरी रूट will be there. So B is the correct option. Question 12. When a natural number is added by 12, it becomes 160 times its reciprocal. So let the natural number be x, and it is given that अगर नेचुरल नंबर 12 ऐड करें तो ये इसका रेसिप्रोकल है, उसका 160 टाइम्स होगा. सो ऑन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, और दैट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x minus 160 is equal to 0. So we can factorize it. Now this can be factorized. X square plus 20x minus 8x, factorized by splitting the middle term. So x plus 20 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 plus x plus 20 is equal to 0. So this number can be written as, therefore x minus 8 is equal to 0, or x plus 20 is equal to 0. When x minus 8 is equal to 0, it can be written as x is equal to 8. So A is the correct answer. Means 8 is the correct answer. Because here x is minus 20. Minus 20 is not a natural number, so it can be rejected. और यहाँ पे हमें ऑप्शन भी एक ही दे रखा है, that is 8. 300 is the result of two consecutive integral multiple of 5. Find out the number. अगर दो 300 जो नंबर है, दो इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल्स मींस इंटीजर्स मल्टीपल हो, मल्टीपल हैं जो इंटीजर्स है, उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 300 है. तो देखिए, लेट one number be multiple of 5 be 5x and its consecutive will be 5x plus 1. ध्यान रखिए ये x है, तो इसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट वाला 5 1 जा 5, ये 5 2 जा 10 और 5 2 जा देन 5 3 जा, ये कंसेक्यूटिव होना चाहिए. Where x is some natural number, given that it is given that their product 5x into 5 x plus 1 is 300. 5 5 are 25 into x square plus x, that is 300. X square plus x, that is 300 upon 25, that is 12. So x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. We can factorize it by splitting the middle term, that is x plus 4 minus 3. So we can write x plus 4, putting both equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4 और x is equal to 3. जो x की वैल्यू होगी वो -4 या -3 होगी. देखिए, so here no number is negative. यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नेगेटिव नहीं है. That is why we have to take here 3. So we are taking here x is equal to 3. x is equal to 3 लेंगे. तो देखिए 5 into 3, that is 15, and 5x plus 1, 5 3 plus 1, 5 into 4, that is 20. So the multiple consecutive multiples of 5 will be 15 and 20. So here B is the correct option. The roots of equation 7x square plus x minus 1 are. कैसे हैं? Means we have to say about the nature of roots. कैसे हैं? Real, distinct, not real. So what we do, we compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is 7, b is 1, c is -1. So discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. So 1 square minus 4 as it is 7, that is -1. So 1, that is 28. Their sum means discriminant is 29, which is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, means d is greater than 0. So roots, sorry, are real and distinct. Real भी होंगे और different भी होंगे. So here A is the correct option. Minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. Then what will be the value of p? इसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम? We just have to put x is equal to minus 5. So 2 minus 5 square plus p into minus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. So 2 into 15 minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0. So 50 minus 15 is equal to 5p. That is 35 is 5p. So p is 35 by 5, that is 7. So C is the correct option. If one of the roots of the equation 4x square, actually this is x square minus 2x plus k minus 4 is a reciprocal of the other, then k will have the value of h. Okay, we can write it further. We can write like this: 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. So this can be written as in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is given that their roots are reciprocal. If one root is alpha, other will be its reciprocal, means 1 upon alpha. And we know that that product of roots, that is c upon a, ये वैसा ही है जैसे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस था एज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल जैसा. So here product is alpha into 1 upon alpha. C is here k minus 4 and a is 4. When we compare here, C A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 2, and C is K minus 4. So alpha alpha cancel, 1 into 4, that is K minus 4. So K will be 4 plus 4, that is 8 answer. So D is the correct answer, that is 8. So the value of K will be 8. For a quadratic equation, the maximum number of roots is equal to maximum, क्योंकि इसका डिग्री 2 हाईएस्ट पावर 2 होता है, तो मैक्सिमम नंबर जो रूट होगा वो भी इसका 2 होगा. यस, दिस इज डायरेक्ट आंसर. In the quadratic equation 2x square minus root 5x, this should be square, plus 1 is equal to 0 has, means we have to determine the nature of roots. So we have to compare first with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus root 5, and c is 1. Now discriminant is b square minus 4ac minus 4 into 2 into 1. that is 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. So since discriminant is negative, therefore discriminant is less than 0 negative, therefore no real roots. Roots are no real. And that is the answer, means P is the करेक्ट आंसर. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जब नेगेटिव हो मींस लेस देन जीरो हो तो उस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स रियल नहीं होते हैं, रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी. दैट इज व्हाई बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. The equation with the sum of its roots equal to 3 will be. First of all, we know that sum of zeros or sum of roots is given by minus b upon a. Sum of roots is given here 3 and this should be equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a 3 के equal होना चाहिए, and you see here in the second part it is 3x square minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 3. So here minus b upon a is minus 3 upon 3 minus minus plus 3 upon 3, that is 1. So this is not possible. It means second is not there. Now we take C part. In C, it is minus x square plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here A is minus 1, B is equal to 3, and minus B upon A, that is minus 3 upon minus 1 minus minus plus, that is 3. So yes, sum of zeros here is 3 in this equation. So C is the correct option here. If the roots of px square plus qx plus 2 is equal to 0 are reciprocal of each other, means we know that zeros one root is alpha, other is 1 upon alpha. We know products of zeros or roots in case of polynomial zeros, that is c upon a. So product here is alpha into 1 upon alpha, and c is 2 and a is p. A is p, b is plus q, c is plus 2. So alpha cancel, 1, that is 2 upon p. So p is equal to 2 answer. So the value of p will be 2 and P is means D is the correct option here. Thank you.